doing up?
I just came down to get a magazine.
Well, I could have brought it to you. Honey, you're sick. Go back up to bed.
I'm not sick. I keep telling you. I feel great.
Yeah, and you'll sound great, too, once you finish coughing up Linda Blair. Honey, come on. Doc Wiley is examining the guests. He'll get to you in a couple minutes.
He's only going to confirm what I've been telling you all along. I'm fine.
Hello, Stratford Inn. Oh, hi, Mrs. Vanderkellen. Is Stephanie busy? You're in luck. Stephanie, it's your mother.
Here, I was doing the mantle. Mommy. Oh, I'm terrible. Well, I'm surrounded by sick people here. And, you know, I don't even like being on the same planet with mucus. Spend the weekend with you? Oh, that sounds nice. And under the disgusting circumstances, I'm sure Dick would not let me go. Oh, don't say that about him, Mommy. Well, I'm not saying it's not true. I'm saying it's not nice. Maybe we should talk later.
Hola, host and cupcake.
Michael!
How's your day?
Better now.
Natch. Dick, great news. This Sunday, your guest on Vermont Today is none other than the one, the only, live and in person.
Michael, who is it?
The president of the University of Vermont.
You're kidding. I wanted him on the show since we started, but you kept refusing to book him.
Well, Dick, the timing wasn't right. But this week, the Whistling Chipmunks fell through. And the Rumba King had a groin pull. And the next name on my list was the Prez. Oh, and I brought you the Brains bio. Oh, it's not here. Must be in the Turbo Z. I'll be back in a flash. Miss me?
Uh-huh.
Same here.
Well, I examined your sick guests and your wife, and they're fine.
Really?
Yep. Apart from having the measles.
Measles?
Then they aren't really fine, are they?
It can't be measles. Joanna doesn't have spots.
Going to.
Well, I don't want to catch it. Isn't there a colony you can put her in or something?
Now, miss. In this day and age, you don't have cause to be afraid of the measles.
Measles? Yikes!
Michael! Where are you going?
Steph, I can't stay. It's germorama in there.
But you forgot your briefcase.
Keep it. It's probably crawling with measles, just waiting to jump on my face.
Michael! What about the bio for the show?
Now, the important thing here is keep them in bed and keep the fevers down. We don't want to risk any complications. It's all here in these instructions on patient care. Well, I'll stop by tomorrow for a spot check.
Dick, here's some instructions on patient care. Oh, no. It's enough I have to scrub toilets. Please don't make me stoop to taking care of the sick.
Hi, everybody. What's new?
This inn is full of pestilence. People are dropping like flies, and the doctor says there's nothing he can do.
Whoa. A lot can happen while you rotate your tires.
That's just Stephanie's way of saying there are 5 people with the measles.
That's the way I took it, Dick. What else could she have meant? But don't worry, you can count on my help through the whole crisis. I've never been sick a day in my life.
Well, you must have come from healthy parents.
No, Dick, they're dead.
Well, I guess we better cancel all the reservations and close down the inn. If we divide up the labor, I see no reason why 3 healthy people can't handle this. I can't believe I have a child's disease. Rats. Rats. More rats.
Do you have to get in such a terrible mood when you're sick?
No. Now shut up. Damn. I had this pillow just right. Now it's too hot.
Here, Dick, take mine.
Joanna, I swear, if you offer me one more sacrifice, I am going to kill you.
Will you at least stop eating your heart out over that bio?
I can't. I mean, it's not fair. I don't even get to interview the president of the University of Vermont. Summa cum laude, a Fulbright scholar. Every moment of his life, action-packed.
Well, it's time for everybody's medicine. Stephanie, are you still rearranging those postcards? You've been doing that since yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, and I'm almost finished.
Wait a minute. It seems to me you could have finished that by this morning. Maybe even late yesterday. I've been doing all this work around here, and you've been doing nothing. Why don't you take these pills upstairs?
All right, George. You caught me. I haven't been doing my share of the work. And I'm going to make it up to you, starting with not taking that tray.
Huh?
George, after what I've done, why should I get to go upstairs and bask in the gratitude of the temporarily disfigured? Visiting, socializing, yes, even laughing. While you're stuck down here manning the phone, alone, unappreciated, forgotten.
I hadn't thought of that. Maybe I'll just take these pills upstairs myself.
Oh, no, it's starting already.
Hello, Stratford Inn. Oh, hi, Michael. You can't believe how hard I'm working. Aren't you going to say poor Steph? Thank you. What? Yeah, it's still here. Michael, you don't have to tell me it's in the side compartment. If it's a checkbook, I can find it. All right, your balance is $39.20. Michael, what have you been doing with your money? Oh, well, I'm worth it. You want to talk to Dick? But I'd have to go upstairs to tell him. Okay, I'll do it. For $39.20.
Say, Joanna, isn't that soap opera you like on now?
Yes, George. But some selfishness seems to be interfering with the signal.
That's too bad. I hear they're going to reveal Cynthia's true identity today.
Dick, Michael's on the phone.
Stephanie, as long as you're here, would you clear away the lunch dishes?
No, Dick. That's my job. Stephanie's not going to make a fool out of me again.
Michael? You have some good news. What is it? Replacing me was easier than you ever dreamed. Who'd you get? You're going after Arnold Schwarzenegger. What the hell has he got to talk to a university president about? Nothing, but you can promote it as the Terminator and the Educator. Michael, Schwarzenegger will never do the show. Yes, he could pass up a title like that. Goodbye, Michael.
If only Ned wants to change.
What happened to the Celtics?
All right, I confess. For 2 years now, I've been masquerading as your loving step-aunt Cynthia. But it's all been a sham. In reality, I am
Cornbread Maxwell! And there's the buzzer. In all my years of broadcasting, that is the most incredible shot I've ever witnessed.
What? What shot?
I would like to show the replay, but we're out of time. Join us again Thursday when the Celtics...
Then you forgive me?
Of course I do. Now that you've told me your true identity, to me you will always be Cynthia, and we shall never speak of that again.
I hope your spots get bigger and your face explodes.
Tough break, Stephanie. But Doc Wiley asked me to change the sheets on all the sick room beds.
Okay, George, but now you owe me.
When did we get all these steps?
George, you're not sick, too.
I don't know. Does being sick mean your head's hot, your throat's sore, and your legs feel like ginger ale?
Yes.
Gee, I haven't felt that well since Thursday.
George, you owe me, remember? Don't be sick.
Well, I'm through. Maybe not. Say,
Huh?
That's close enough. Now, there's some measles, all right. You go lie down in an upstairs room where this little lady can look after you.
Boy, are you lucky. I only had 5 people to take care of. You've got 6.
Doc Wiley?
Yeah?
I'm sick, too.
You look perfect to me.
Well, of course. But I just know I'm getting measles. I've gotten everything else I've ever wanted.
I'm sorry. There's nothing medically wrong with you.
But I can't take care of a house full of sick people.
I suppose you could use a nurse.
Great. Where can I get one?
You can't. Ain't you heard? There's a measles epidemic. Looks to me like you're on your own.
Stephanie, I asked for aspirin, not Flintstone vitamins.
I'm pretty sure Doc Wiley said you can substitute 2 Wilmas.
Steph!
Michael! So good to see you.
Same here. Listen, Steph, I need something for my briefcase. Could you check my week at a glance and see what time my meeting is on Tuesday?
Michael, you care more about that stupid briefcase than me.
Untrue, Steph. That's Tuesday, the 25th.
Let's see. Blow dryer, breath spray, Spanish-English dictionary. Here's your week at a glance. Tuesday, the 25th. Your meeting's at 10:15, and you're planning to say, "Good morning, corporate caballeros."
Great, thanks. Bye, Steph.
Michael! Don't you want to hear about the hell I've been going through?
See you after the epidemic.
Stephanie, where's that aspirin?
Ew! Hello, Mommy. How are you? How's Daddy? Me? I'm up to my waist in used tissues. What? Spend a couple of days with you, Mommy. We've been all through this. It's out of the question. Okay, how soon can you send the car? See you.
Is that the last lozenge?
Yeah. You want it?
Oh, no, I feel fine.
You want it, don't you?
You need it, I don't.
Hi, Dick. Joanna, just bringing you a little snack.
Snack? It looks like there's enough there for 3 days.
You think so? Stephanie, why are you all dressed up? This? This is nothing. Don't you know that one of the symptoms of measles is overrating people's clothes?
Is there a banana in there?
There's one left.
Give it to Joanna.
I don't want it.
Sure, you say that now, but if I eat it, you'll start making noises like a monkey.
Well, if there's anything else you want, you better tell me now, because Well, just because.
No, Stephanie, you've done so much. I just wish I could help you. It isn't easy taking care of us and George and the guests all by yourself, and we really appreciate it. Right, Dick?
Yeah, right. I'm still waiting for my aspirin.
And, I'll just leave this here. It'll keep for days.
But once again, we realize the sacrifices you've been making, and I just want you to know how much we really appreciate
Stop it! I mean, thank you.
Stephanie, is everything okay?
Well,
Honey, it's time for Vermont Today. I want to see who Michael got to host.
Oh, yeah, me too.
well, take care of yourselves.
And now, Vermont Today, starring Dick Loudon. Sitting in for Dick this afternoon is guest host Binky the Clown.
What?
Now, honey, don't get upset. Maybe it won't be so bad.
Hi, I'm Binky, and gosh and golly, I'm so happy because we get to meet the president of the University of Vermont. Hi, Mr. President.
You're right, honey. The first thing you do when you meet a scholar is beep his nose.
Oh, no. I have to fix the drain.
George, why aren't you in bed?
Bed? No. I have a lot to do. Besides, you said you'd teach me to use a wrench.
Are you all right?
Oh, sure. I'd better hurry or I'll be late for the pep rally. Are you coming, Dad?
God, you're burning up. You better lie down.
Dad, are you mad 'cause I varnished the cat?
Of course I'm not mad.
Then how come I'm grounded?
George, just lie there and don't move. Hello, is Doc Wiley there? Can you tell him to come to the Stratford Inn right away? What do you mean he has an emergency? This is a bigger emergency. It affects me. Well, tell him to get here as soon as he can.
Excuse me, are you Miss Vanderkellen?
Yes.
Your limo's here. Are these your bags?
Who is it, Dad? Is that my date? Gee, that music's pretty.
Oh, pish. I'm not going. Leave the bags.
But miss.
Tell my parents I'm not coming. Thank you for making such a long drive. And by the way, you've been exposed to measles.
Thanks a lot, Dad. Now I'll have to go stag.
George, here. Drink this. It'll bring your fever down. I hope.
Hey, you're not Dad.
George, you're going to be all right.
Sure. Thanks, Mom.
Stephanie?
Shh. Can't you see that George is asleep? He was up half the night. Is he all right? What happened? Don't worry, he's fine now. What are you doing down here?
We were hungry. The salami lost its flavor on the bedpost overnight.
We're feeling a little better. We thought we'd fix our own breakfast.
Well, just because you're feeling better doesn't mean you've recovered. Now get back to bed, and I'll be up in a few minutes with a nice hot breakfast for everybody.
Dick, we're hallucinating.
I hope to God that explains Binky the Clown.
Oh, geez, what am I doing down here? Stephanie!
How are you feeling?
Oh, fine. I had the strangest dream. My mother was there. My father was there. And I went to a pep rally. And there was this beautiful angel.
Oh, George. That was me.
No, it was a guy in a chauffeur's cap carrying luggage.
Go back to sleep, George. You're still delirious.